Hello, traders. In today's episode, we are going to be talking about a simple strategy to get multiple signals. Today's strategy just involves using the zigzag indicator and the stochastic oscillator. All we are going to be doing is to go into the indicator settings and add the stochastic and the zigzag indicator. Adding this zigzag and the stochastic indicator from this place, we have both of them on my screen. The next thing you're going to be doing is to go into the chart settings and changing the time frame of our charts to the 1-minute time frame. After doing that, you are going to be changing your time for the trade to 1 minute, as you can see on my screen here. After doing that, you're going to be changing the settings of the zigzag indicator. For the zigzag indicator, we have the default settings. You're not going to be changing anything in your settings. For the styles, which include the color, you can just as well leave it that way, and that is all the settings for the zigzag indicator. For the stochastic oscillator, we are going to be leaving the settings as default also. That is all for the settings of the stochastic oscillator. After that, we are going to be pushing forward to having some trades. Looking at this, you see that we have the stochastic oscillator below, and we have the zigzag indicator coupled together with my charts on my screen here. Now, this zigzag indicator is just a trend indicator telling us how the trend is going. You can see it showing series of highs and lows, and then it's going to the downside, which shows the trend is bearish. When it's going to the upside, we know we are bullish. Now, for the stochastic oscillator, it's just an overbought and an oversold indicator. So currently we have the zigzag indicator showing we have a bullish price push to the upside, and also the stochastic oscillator already at overbought region. But quickly we can have an entry from here since we have price pushing to the upside. We can have a quick trade at this point. The trade is opened and currently running at this point. We can take a look and see how it goes before we look into other trades. Now, this particular strategy can give you multiple signals in a day. All you have to do is just to practice it properly and see how it works. While practicing, make sure you use your demo account. After you're done practicing it and knowing how it works on your demo account, then you proceed with your live account. Currently, we have our entry active and price is still pushing to the upside. Let's quickly see how we round up this trade and how this strategy works perfectly. You can see we have price pushing and the trade is almost rounding up. Let's see if our entry is going to win. Quickly, you can see on this trade, our entry for this particular signal actually won, and we made a good trade. This is how simple and effective this strategy can be if you take your time to practice it properly. For more trading videos, make sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. See you in the next episode.